here in our All-America Selection annual display garden, and one of the things I always like doing at the end of the season is to kind of showcase some of the annuals that have done really well. Well, today I want to look at the vincas that we have here, also known as the periwinkles. Periwinkles have long been in the home landscape with their pinwheel flower that is just a traditional look, a classic look that we often see in the landscape. But these particular annuals that I want to highlight today are in the Mega Bloom series. And so this particular one here in front of me, you can see it has that traditional periwinkle look where it's got kind of that pinwheel floral display and the white eye to the center of it. This one is actually known as the Orchid Halo as part of that Mega Bloom series. There's also a pink halo, which has a softer pink color to it, and also the white eye to it as well. Now, if you want to go with an even more classic look, there is one called Polka Dot that has your traditional white flower, and it almost looks like somebody's gone around with a paintbrush counting the flowers, as each center has just a drop of hot pink right in the center of it, really attracting those pollinators to the center of that flower. Now, each one of them are a couple of inches wide, so that's really what sets this Mega Bloom series apart from some of your traditional periwinkles, is the fact that they are such large flowers and they're held up on a very compact, tidy plant as well, so you don't have to worry about them flopping. But they're going to continue to provide flowers throughout the season. One of the other things that this series has really been bred for also is heat and humidity tolerance, which, as you know, we live in Oklahoma and we are well familiar with heat and humidity. So it's nice to have an annual that's going to be able to handle that. And as you can see later in the season, it is still disease and pest free, and so we're doing good there. It does attract plenty of pollinators. We've got a lot of stuff flying around us right now. So if you're looking to add a periwinkle into your garden and want to put a twist on an old favorite, try looking at the Mega Bloom series that comes in this Orchid Halo, Pink Halo, or Polka Dot.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.